Hello friends, welcome back to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to reduce CPU usage and also the graphics card usage whenever you are editing or just playback anything in your Sony Vegas Pro. That means Vegas Pro 18 and above and all any other latest versions. Okay, now it is not Sony Vegas, it is Vegas Pro, and you can simply use this device. It's the one of the best one of the best software for recording audio. So I am using recording my audio files easier, and whenever you recording your audio files, your usage is high, your fan is rotating high speed, it is create a noisy environment in your room. So you can simply clear this problem by clicking here, right click. Okay, you can simply right click here, then select preview quality, go to preview, then you can select full, half and quarter. Full, that means use full power of your CPU, and half is use half power. If you set half or quarter, your CPU does not run like that fan noise, so you can uh, peaceful record your voice. So this is the method. Right click here, just click preview quality, then preview, go to quarter. Okay, that's it. Your computer now quietly working, and you're listening or just playback or recording your audio, recording video, anything in your display. And another one problem is whenever you set the preview quality to quarter, you can see here whenever your video quality is showing here, it is blurred or just a low quality, like you are playing a YouTube video, high quality YouTube video, like 144 format or 360p resolutions. So that's, guys, very simple tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replays as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.